Welcome back to Theresa's Den. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. You like that? I love this. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. That's right, kids. We have the Chantecaille Advent Calendar. Damn. Okay, listen. This bitch retails for $375. Yes, you heard right. $375. Now, the value of this box retails for $671. So, in theory, I guess that's a good deal, right? Now, full disclosure, Chantecaille did send this to me. There were a couple people asking me to review this. And initially, I kind of went back and forth on it because $375 is a lot of money. And I was like, I don't know if I should do it. Like, I love Chantecaille products, but even I have a limit. You know what I mean? That said, I was so happy to hear that they were going to send this to me. So regardless if this was sent to me or not, I am going to give you my full thoughts on it, whether or not I think that this is a good purchase. Let's see what you get in this box, because I have to say, presentation-wise, this is absolutely beautiful. And this is something that, okay, oops, sorry. I made you angry. This is something that I want to keep, and I know we're going to be moving next year, and I really want to keep this box because it is absolutely beautiful. I think out of all the brands that send me PR, I tend to keep Chantecaille's boxes because they're just so fucking beautiful. There's no words, like absolutely no words. So I definitely think out of all the advent calendars that I have received so far, this by far is the most beautiful one of all. And as you see here, you get 12 little boxes. Typically advent calendars go up to 25. This is 12. And on the side here, you have a little description, which I will read it because I can't read upside down. I wanted Chantecaille to be the first skincare company based on flowers. We proudly blend pure and luxurious quality, scientifically forward technology and botanical ingredients into all we do. We are committed not just to the best product, but also to philanthropy and conservation. In creating a brand, we created a platform with a voice for change. And now Chantecaille helps conservationists all around the world protect the ocean, environment, endangered animals, and endangered plant species. It's an integral part of our brand. And that's a quote from Sylvie Chantecaille, who's the owner of this brand. So without further ado, let's see if this box is worth it. So I'm just going to place it up here, put it on the side, and you know the drill. We're just going to open it box by box. Starting with box number 1. Ooh. Oh, okay. So this is something I have never tried before. And this is the Rose in My Face Oil. This is a natural elixir infused with powerful botanicals that lessen the appearance of fine lines while promoting a brighter looking complexion. I have to say, I have been falling more and more in love with Chantecaille skincare. Between the cleansing balm, the cleanser, the eye cream, the bio serums, like even to the blue light serum, like everything has been fucking fabulous. And this is one product that I have never tried and it's always been on my list. So I'm kind of excited to try like a little bottle of this guy. It smells very nice. I don't have the best sense of smell, but it doesn't smell offensive. So I love that. But yeah, I'm excited to try this one. Box number 2. Ooh, is this a lip cheek? Oh no, this is a lip veil. Oh yes, bitch. This is in the shade Honey Pot. I love their lip cheeks, their lip veils. They make the most beautiful basic ass bitch colors. And this one, I'm pretty sure, oh yeah, yep. That's me. That's literally like my go-to color. I feel like it's one of those colors that's just absolutely flattering on everybody, and it goes with any eye look. Like, this is just so fucking beautiful. I particularly love like the lip veils and the lip cheeks. They're incredibly nourishing on the lips. I have very, very dry mummy dick lips, and these have been a godsend. And I also like the fact that these don't bleed into the outer corner. So these are absolutely fabulous. Box number 3. Okay, so we have a luminescent eyeshadow. I'm not gonna lie, these are not my favorite. I think they're very beautiful, but I think when it comes to their single eyeshadows, I'm just kind of like, meh, they're all right. But they're nothing like super amazing. I'm sure Michelle Wong disagrees with me. You know, I think if you're someone that just likes a single eyeshadow look, like these could be up your alley. But for me, I don't know, like I like complicating my life. I'm a Libra, okay? Like it's all about me. So I tend to use multiple different eyeshadows for my eye looks. Now, with that said, you know, these are pretty, but honestly, they're not the best formula out there. They're fine. They're nice, but like nothing really to write home about. So I'm gonna see if my mama likes this. If not, I'm gonna pass it off to a friend. Packaging wise, it's absolutely fucking stunning. It's just, you know, it's not my favorite. Box number 4. Oh, yay, this is so cute. Okay, so this is actually a sample size of the best mascara ever fucking made, okay? Ever made, hands down, amazing. I have to use other mascaras because I technically have a couple of them open, but time and time again, if you look in my description box of all my videos, it's pretty much this mascara. This bitch is expensive. She retails normally for the full size $72. Yes, you heard right, $72. But when I tell you that if you are someone that does not like false lashes, right, and you want a product that will actually help your lashes grow and it's nourishing, you will not experience any flaking or irritation from the product, fucking look no further. I swear by their mascara, I really do. Not gonna lie, kind of disappointed that you get a little sample size in here. I kind of wish, you know, you got a full size one, but you know, it is what it is. But I'm actually gonna pass this off to someone because I actually have a lot of backups of these, because if you have ever been interested in wanting to try this, usually Nordstrom will always have some sort of deal every now and again where you can get like 2 of them for kind of the price of 1. So I would pay attention to like Nordstrom deals and stuff like that if you've been interested in wanting to check out their mascaras. There are 2 different types. There's one that's like $40 and I think it's just like faux sills, and then you have the longest lash one, which is, this is the one that I like because it's the one that actually provides the most volume. So definitely be on the lookout for that if you're interested in checking it out. I know not everybody really gives a shit about mascara because some people just like cover it up with false lashes, but not me, bitch, okay? I hate false lashes, so that's why this is something that is like a staple for me. No lie, look in my description box. I literally wear this every fucking video pretty much. Box number 5. Ooh, what is this? I don't think I've ever tried this before. Oh, that's fancy. What the hell is this? This is a gold recovery mask. I've never tried this particular product before. However, I do use the Nano Gold Eye Cream. That's fabulous. Over 200 bucks, but honestly, it's worth every fucking penny. Like, that's amazing. This though, what the hell is this? This is a rich multitasking mask infused with powerful botanicals that moisturize and soothe to visibly revitalize and perfect skin. 91.2 natural. What? Okay. All right, I'm not gonna open it up because it has a little seal here. I'm afraid to try this. If it's anything like the eye cream, I am fucked. Damn it, god damn you, Chantecaille. So how do you do this? So you basically apply it to clean skin for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse, or use overnight for smooth looking morning complexion. Oh, there's one product, it's from the BioLifting line. There's technically a BioLifting mask, but I use it as an overnight mask. And when I tell you, my skin looks like I'm a child, okay? I don't know what kind of fucking shit they have in there, but it's amazing. Anybody that I turn that product onto is just like, oh, you're right. Like, I'm literally turning back the hands of time. I am so obsessed and I'm so mad because it's just, they're expensive, but they're worth every fucking penny. Ugh. Okay, so I can't wait to be upset about trying this product and loving it. Really hate that for me. Box number 6. I have to say, I love every one of these little box designs. Oh my God, they're just so cute. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, another little teeny tiny little bottle. It kind of reminds me of those, oh God, what the fuck are those kids love? Shop brands or whatever? Those little, like, they have like tiny little Eggo waffles and tiny little Tabasco sauces. And you basically have like a tiny little supermarket. That's what this reminds me of. Okay, so what exactly is this? This one probably also has a little protective guy, so that's cool. This is the Stress Repair Concentrate Plus. And this is a highly innovative eye cream. I'm done, bitch. Okay, infused with anti-aging botanicals to brighten and depuff. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna have to try this after I'm done using my gold nano cream because I still have like half the jar left, and then we'll try this one because I'm curious to see what the difference is from that to that. But okay. Very happy about that. Box number 7. Yes. Okay, I love this product. This one's amazing. And I'm excited because I towards the bottom of my full-size one, and now I get to have a little bit more product before I have to repurchase it. And this is the BioLifting Serum. This is an innovative serum infused with powerful botanicals and peptides for immediate visible lifting. This product is a part of pretty much my nighttime routine. I'm completely obsessed with it. I have a lot of serums and potions and all kinds of other bullshit. And I know I'm going to be doing a skincare video, but it's going to be a part of Deadmas because, you know, 31 days, I have to have a lot of content. So I'm going to be talking about my skincare routine during that month. But this is something that has just been a fucking godsend. Like, it's so good. I love this serum. And it does a really good job of smoothing out my skin and just making my skin look plump and fresh, like a little fat fryer. Like, I love it. Super happy to have that. Box number 8. Ooh, yay. Okay, these are some of my favorite makeup products, and it's, oh yes, it's their blushes. Oh my God. Can we appreciate that little pan design? I think when it comes to makeup, for me, Chantecaille really shines with their powder products. And in particular, their blushes are some of the best blushes I have ever used. Now, they retail for $40 a piece. They're not cheap, but if you ever do hit pan, the refill is $30, I believe. And they usually have sales on these blushes. You just have to pay attention to some retailers, but sometimes you can get these for like 25 to 30% off, which is really nice. That said, I have the whole collection of these, so I'm actually gonna gift this to my mom because I know she would love the shit out of it. My only issue with it is that it's an overspray. So it's adorable, it's beautiful, we love her, but it's an overspray. So while this is an adorable elephant, it slowly disappears as you start to use the product more and more. But that's my only complaint about it. But other than that, it's fantastic blush quality. It's so fucking pretty. And I cannot wait to give this to my mom because this one in particular, not to get all sappy, but I'm gonna get all sappy because we're approaching the holidays. But I was very close with my grandmother, my mom's mom, and she loved elephants. And anytime I see this, I always think of my grandmother, and I know my mom is gonna burst into tears. So can't wait for that. We love crying. It's healthy and therapeutic. But I love that. I'm so excited to give that to my mom. Box number 9. Oh, okay, okay. This is the Purifying and Exfoliant Phytoactive Solution. I have never tried this product before. And look at this teeny tiny bottle. This is adorable. So what exactly does this one do? A powerful smoothing, retexturizing toner that leaves your skin refined and glowing. Okay. You know, toner, I don't know, like I have a bunch of different toners, but like sometimes it's one of those steps that I kind of forget to use. But I have been loving this one toner I got from Yes Style. I think it was like the black rice or something like that. It's been great when I remember to use it. So it's a part of the routine that I just have to get used to. I'm curious to try this one out and see how this one holds up. Box number 10. Oh, this is something I have never tried before. Oh, what the fuck is this? This is a lip potion. Okay, so that's the color. Oh, that feels really nice. Oh, that feels really smooth. Okay, what is it? I think this is probably a lip balm. Let's see. Yep, okay. A rich, nourishing lip balm infused with shea butter and sweet almond oil. So I'm gonna put it on my lips. Oh, it feels good. It feels really good on the lips. This is something though that I'm probably gonna leave at home and put this by my workstation. And I say that because I'm very weird about lip balms that you kind of have to dip your finger in. And especially in the day and age where, I don't know, COVID's still kind of running rampant. It's something that I don't want to have out in public and, you know, use my hands and I don't like that. So for me, this is gonna live right next to my computer station when I have dry lips and I'm just yelling at my monitor for 45 minutes about how people are fucking stupid. So I can't wait to continue to use this, but it feels really good on the lips. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels very nourishing. It doesn't have a weird taste to it. And yeah, let's just see how it holds up, but it feels really nice. I like it. Box number 11. This product is... All right, hold on. Let's try from the other side. Okay, it doesn't want to come out. All right, how about we do this? Aha, yay, okay. This is the Full Brow Perfecting Gel, and it looks like it is in clear. All right, nice. You know, brow gels are kind of like, meh. I have one or two, you know, it's kind of like a weird like product. Honestly, I really don't use brow gel too often because my brow hairs pretty much stay into place and I don't have that many. They're basically blonde and blend into my skin. So they're not really running away, but I'm gonna pass this off to somebody that I know that has unruly eyebrows and hopefully they'll have a better use for this product. And last but not least, box number 12. Yay! right. Okay. This is the thing I was talking to you about. Hold on, let me show you. Oh, wait a second. No, I've never tried this one. Okay, so the one that I was talking about was the BioLifting mask. This is fabulous. Like, this is fantastic. Love that. Sorry, it looks really gross. I keep it in my skincare fridge. And then this is the BioLifting serum. Don't really have that much left in it. This one's fabulous. And the one that I was talking about earlier is the Nano Gold Energizing Eye Cream. This is fabulous. Okay, I'm sorry. I thought I already had this. I don't. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the BioLifting Cream Plus. And this is an intensely hydrating rich cream powered by age-defying plant stem cells, 85% natural. Okay, this one has a little cover on it, so I'm not gonna open him up, but oh God, if it's anything like the BioLifting mask, I am gonna be in love. I might take this away with me when I go away for a few days. I'm filming this well in advance. I will be in Florida when you see this video, so if I remember, I'll leave a pinned comment to let you know how wonderful this product is, but I'm excited to try this one. I feel like this one's gonna be really awesome if it's anything like the other products in this line. And that's that. That was the whole advent calendar. You know, if I were to purchase this with my own money, I wouldn't be disappointed because I like that there are a lot of different skincare products within this box. Makeup wise, I think there were probably two products that I was like, I really could care less about. One is the little eyeshadow. I don't know, like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of their single shadows. I think they're okay, but I think they're overrated in my opinion. And the brow gel. But the brow gel is kind of like one of those universal products, you know what I mean? Like either you're gonna use it or you're not gonna use it. I almost wish they would have replaced that with maybe an eye kajal. Their eye kajal pencils are fucking amazing. And especially the nude one. Everybody looks good with a nude waterline. It makes the eyes pop without it being too intense like a white eyeliner. So I wish they would have done that instead. Other than that, the other makeup products, the blush was great. I wish you got a full size of the mascara. That kind of sucked that it was a smaller one, but I mean, whatever, it is what it is. And the lip balm was nice. I think for me, I was more excited about the skincare products. I think as of late, I've been getting a little bit more into their skincare as opposed to their makeup. Their makeup is still fantastic, other than their eyeshadow being like, it's all right. Like I really do love their powders. Like their blur powder is next level. That's coming into the casket with me. Their blushes, when it comes to those products, they're really fucking solid on, but there's something about the skincare that is just so amazing and has actually really improved my skin. I have been seeing a noticeable difference since using their products from like last year pretty much, right? I love it. I'm obsessed. So I think, you know, if I were to spend my money on this, I wouldn't be upset because there are some products that I have never tried before that I have been either meaning to try or actually wasn't aware of. So I do like that I'm getting like these kind of deluxe size samples of them. Now, price wise, this is very expensive. It's $375. So I think this is kind of in a way a nice overall of the brand, right? Like, cause you're getting some makeup, you're getting some skincare, and all of those products individually, they do cost an arm and a leg. Like, I'm not gonna say that they don't, like they do. The price point in my mind is very apropos for the brand, like it makes sense. But I think if you were planning on picking this up, really look at all the products and see if this is something that you're going to utilize each thing, you know? If not, I highly recommend not picking this up if you're not gonna be utilizing everything. But yeah, like I mentioned, if I were to purchase this with my own coin, I wouldn't be upset with that because I actually find use out of these products. And for the ones that I don't, I know they're gonna get a good home somewhere else. I think this is also a really beautiful gift to give to someone. But again, it's very expensive. So really just, you know, keep that in mind. But I like this though. This was really nice. This actually exceeded my expectations. My only, like I said, kind of criticism would be is that I wish some products were full size, especially for the makeup stuff. I get it for the skincare. Their skincare does have high price points, but for some of the makeup, they could have thrown in a full size one. But in any case, yeah, not mad. This was actually pretty cool. And I love the box. The box is fucking beautiful. And I hope it doesn't get destroyed in transit because I would love to have this a part of my background. Anyway, and with that said, I want to hear from you. Let me know down below if you would be interested in picking this up or would you skip out? Let me know because I love hearing from you. Again, thank you Chantecaille for sending this my way. If you are interested in picking this up, everything will be listed in the description box below. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really disgusting. Garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces. And I just want to, you know, gobble you all up. I want to love up on you and live in my belly. It's gonna be a great time. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little cupcakes later. Bye.